Okay, hello. We are back into the game. How are you going this morning? God heavens, this afternoon, this evening. Morning for some people, but mostly evening. And we are continuing our game development stuff that we've been working on. We've got we've had a really good stream yesterday. In fact, I got the numbers wrong because I deleted one. We have fixed some pretty serious bugs in the game since we're testing everything here. It says 48 here. There should be, yeah, it's 49, 40. Okay, right. Just making sure I'm counting properly. Some awesome stuff. So excellent. Alrighty, so yesterday we fixed Copper's running forever. We also fixed this with other services as well, by the way. We actually did that. The others were sort of doing it. We just mostly fixed it with Coppers because Coppers were the ones that we noticed the problem being on. And with a vague memory of maybe Medi's doing it, but anyway, it's all good. We fixed it and we put the right code in that fixes it with the others as well. So both, or all, I should say all three services will not be having this problem from now on. And Coppers, we're not searching properly after returning to searching after chasing. So because of the change we've been making with the new animations, that has been a problem. Welcome to the stream. So we've had to change some things around, and we also picked up on a few extra things that we needed to make sure of with those animations, and we fixed them. So the idea at the moment is just to, we keep testing out the game. Can it do everything that we're expecting? Maybe if we do something strange, strange things will happen. But most of the time here we are. Indeed, we are. Mostly fixed here, I hope. I hope there isn't anything else that it does exist. But if it does, then we'll fix it. And I'm not going to restart this because it's been open for a little while. And I want to make sure that everything is as expected here. Awesome. Yeah, really happy with how this is turning out. It has been a bit long-winded, but we've got it right.
Welcome, Mariantha.
Hello, Mariantha. How you doing?
Howdy, folks. Hope everyone is having a cool evening.
You too. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. We're continuing bug fixes with this game called Janticity. And Janticity is a 2D platformer role-playing game, which is going to be involving your character here to help other people that need it. Because the world needs to emphasize helping each other and not killing each other, which is nice. Well, it's not nice, but yeah, we want to. That's what we want to do with this. In any case, we're going to. We've made a couple of arrests here. Okay, I think that worked pretty well there. There was a lot of overlap between the two bandies, and they seem to behave themselves quite well. So. Excellent. We also fixed a problem with dispatching as well, so the dispatch boxes will actually disappear properly, and we won't have an issue with any services.
Great idea.
That are. It is a great idea. Yeah, we won't have any problems with services that are going to be undispatchable, because that's what ends up happening. So We want to be able to dispatch every time we need something, and it needs to be a constant loop of that. We've also fixed up searching as well, but searching was actually also a result of recent animation stuff, so I didn't actually put that in here. It wasn't an initial problem. It was a problem that came up because I was changing animations around. Alright, so let's have a look. Yeah, I think we're up to date here. Alright.
Welcome. Truby33. UWSG dude. How are you doing?
Welcome to the stream. Hello. Hello, Trouble. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. I've been getting up early for work, so if I do seem tired, it is because of that, but I am trying to get more sleep so I can not be tired. That's the idea, right? Get more sleep so you're not tired.
Welcome. VL Mercy.
Welcome to the stream. Hello. I'm doing. What's on down here?
I am tired as well, dude. LUL.
Yeah, it's just long day. Long days. But, things are going quite chill at the moment. The good thing is we're fixing our game. We have less bugs than we did before. So excellent.
Anyways, I gotta go, just hopped in to say hello.
Ah, thank you. No worries. Well, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. You have a lovely night. All day. Or morning, whichever have you. May your day be filled with goodness and luck, of course. In everything you do.
If you're live when I come back, I'll hop back in and chill. Epic salute.
Yeah, no worries, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'll be on for a few hours. I only just started,
Have a good
so
stream.
thank you. You, I was going to say you too. You're not streaming. You have a good night. Yeah. Appreciate. Okay. So far, so good. I don't see any issues here. You know what? I'm so excited to say this. I actually think this is time to make a level that we can give our players to test on. This is running so well right now. I see very minimal issues. If anything, no issues. There were some issues. There was actually an issue that was outstanding. I unticked it. We need to find out what's going on with Ben's getting arrested. There seems to be some rare potential sequence. Which can cause couples to get stuck in the running. I think we have actually fixed this. So something like that, yeah. Do 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 do. All right. This game doesn't seem like much, but there's so much going on here. This, Medis, okay. So, Yeah, we can see our balls. We might actually make that invisible. You know, eventually I don't think I'll make this invisible. I think it's important that we have this. At the moment, we'll just make it invisible. I think it's good to tell the player that, you know, someone's been dispatched to this location, etc. without... without, you know, using anything. Hang on, what happened? Monkeys are already dispatched. Oh. But they're not here. What's going on? Monkeys are not there. Car Smokey, please. Oh, not Smokey. I actually want the building. The building's what's causing this problem. Smokey Hub, where are you? Ugh. Shuttle personnel too. What? Really? It's got personnel, but it won't spawn. That is weird. Ooh, excuse me. So, why is this happening, man? Why are these smokies all of a sudden not coming out? I didn't see. Oh, they must have went back. Yeah, let's come back maybe. Okay, there's 0. Yeah. Well, that's weird, man. That is very strange. Let me have a look at the dispatch system for this. Ooh. Hoppers, right. Muggies. What? Something's happened here. Trying to find out if I can see the problem, but it's not too obvious right now. I did not see this happen, so it does make it a bit hard. I really really don't know what's happened here. Alright, let's just rewind and see if we can reproduce it. Well, it's just a thing though. Oh, alright, I'll have to work it out. I was going to check the events, but work it out. Work it out first.
Welcome, Zarushi.
Welcome, Zarushi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Ah, yes. That's how it works.
Welcome, Jackalhulsha. It's a bird.
Jacko,
It's a
how
plane. No, it's Super Loop.
Hi, Jack. How you going? Welcome to the stream, dude. Jacko, Hausha. Jacko, Hausha. Welcome. We are flying today, apparently. We are flying today. A long day at work today. So just that I had to get up early.
This is the classic Luke Wolf music. Nostalgic.
Yeah, classic Luke Wolf music. This is Sky from Hyper Potions. Hyper Potions do some pretty good music, man. I've got 3 of their songs on here. I wonder if they've made new ones though since. Well, I've had these ones for ages, but yeah, I'm always gonna have these guys on my playlist. I reckon they're amazing. They do a good job.
What's the song?
It's called Sky. SKI by Hyper Potions. Don't whistle. Some people don't like my whistling.
Oh, ski, snow skiing.
Ski, sorry. Yeah, what am I saying? Yeah, I stand corrected. It's ski, not sky, of course. You can see my brain's mostly melted today, so. Yeah. The next one's Snow Day. Fitting to have Snow Day after ski in the playlist, I reckon. Oh. Whoa, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Bro, you just ignored that fire. There's a fire right there and he's ignoring it. The heck? Man, okay, there's problems still. There are problems. Why didn't that... I just want to check the... I can't check the Smokey anymore because he's gone, unfortunately. I should have paused it.
Calip_Mike_Jerome.
No, there isn't.
Best viewers on u.to/NAC8
No. No. No, there is not. I will not be going to scam links, thank you very much. And neither should anybody else. Thank you, Jack.
I was sitting there trying to remember the command to type lols.
You did, you remembered. Just show you too when you start typing it. That's handy so you don't have to do too much remembering. You know, that they never used to, by the way.
ASMR_MeU.
Welcome to the stream. Amazing. Welcome to the stream. Really appreciate you having you here.
www welcome.
Yes. I'm looking for the flammables object. Okay. What's going on here? He's on fire. Fire. Damn it! I'm gonna have to restart and find out how I can reproduce this issue. I'm gonna have a quick look at the Smoky code for this because the Smoky should be seeing fires and reacting accordingly, man. Returning. Yes, it should be. It should be working. There must be a reason why it's not working, so we'll work it out. We will work it out. Yeah, there's nothing obvious here. Returning is returning, and that's it. There's not much else to it. Let's work it out. So there's something up with Smokies, and I'm really surprised. I haven't seen this yet, like before, any of these problems that are happening. Why is this up? Load, please. I'm sorry, load the layout. Thank you. Oh, hang on. No, we don't want to load that layout. Hang on. I'll load this one. Yes, there we are. Lovely. Here we go. See the victims, Medis. What are you doing? There we go. It's all good. I was just being impatient. So it's okay to be impatient. Here we go. Okay, another fire. We need. Whoa! What's going on here? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Oh man. There is something going on with the bandies are being arrested. They are not working. Well, the bandy should... The copper's working, but the bandy's not. It's just stuck and cuffed. And I don't know why. I really don't know why this is happening. How does that happen? How does that happen, man? Trying to fix Smokies and I get another proper bandy issue. The smoking one's really important because of the whole idea of the monkeys getting stuck and not responding to the fire and all that. But I don't know what's causing that at the moment. But to think about it, we've got to think about these things. When you've got a number of things going on, it doesn't make sense. Think about it. Hmm. Yes. That was basically all over top of each other, and they still didn't go into that bug. Hmm. Tough one. It's a tough one. Hmm. Oh, he just died. Yeah, why? Was it because of the fire? I couldn't tell exactly what was causing that. Maybe it was because of the fire? I mean, I had suspicions before that if they overlapped the fire, they would go into a, they would have all sorts of different trouble. Hey now. That is. He doesn't see the fire. Like, why can't you see the fire? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Apart from constant observation at this point, I don't see any other way to reproduce that. I could give them something to start a fire with and see what happens after that. Hmm. I could do that. I could do that. We've got to set the we've got to change the testing environment a bit. I'm gonna move this one over here. Hmm. There's a fire running and he's being arrested. Okay. No, the arrest went well. Hmm. Crossfire extinguishing. Right there. Hang on, why aren't they being put out? What's going on? They're not being put out. Why not? Whoa. Not being extinguished, that one. Why not? Weird. That one is, but do we have HP? 100. That's really weird. That's really weird. Wow. So the first one here, this one, is not being extinguished. And this one is being extinguished, but no health being deducted. Let me check the flumble. Flumble object. Not being extinguished either. Health points are 43, they're just going down. So they'll end up burnt and not resolved. I mean, it says it's extinguishing. We may have to send a 4 each somewhere there, I think. Thinking. How do we? Oh my god, these issues are so new. But did I speak too soon? Okay, they just yeah, they just. It was weird. He's not seeing that file. What's going on, man? That was the first thing I was trying to fix. Bugs galore, bugs galore, bugs galore. He's looking around. Why can't he see that fire? Like, he should be able to see that fire. That fire is a thing there right now. He's not picking it up. Looking at your D357. Is it because of your UID? No. What the heck? Why aren't you working, man? Being extinguished. Wow, I just need to save it here for a second. I want to fix this smoky bug first. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Alright. Alrighty. This is gonna. This is. We're gonna have a look at this. Like he's not even. What's he actually supposed to be doing here? He's in searching mode. Well, he's in searching mode. What's going on, dude? You can see it. You can see the thing. I think he can see it. I mean, it looks like he can, right? Very strange. And it just goes back. I need a few minutes break to work this out. Get back.
Welcome. VL Mercy. Luke has the breaks to do the things, guys.
Alrighty. We're back. Back and ready to go. What the hell happened there? Hang on. What? Okay, still good. No. Everything's fine. Alright. So, let's find out what's going on here. Why are we having all these problems? Oh my god.
We're all fine here, guys. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for waiting. We have this guy's just not seeing. Is this guy? Oh my god! Really? Is he putting this fire out? Incredible! He wasn't putting it out before. He won't put that one out. Why not? Why won't you put it out, man? It's on fire. Are you just gonna sit there and just let it burn, are you? Are you gonna save that apple tree but not the other one? What did this apple tree ever do to you?
He doesn't like that tree.
No, I don't think so. He doesn't really like it, does he? He's just walking away from it. Don't walk away from your responsibilities.
Doesn't like it smiling at him.
No, quite possibly. Yeah, he probably doesn't like that one. He probably thinks it's a bit creepy or something. I think that's the problem. Maybe it was a curse putting smiley faces on these trees and the apples on them. Perhaps it was a curse. I mean, they're not creepy smileys. I mean, I don't think they are. The apples have more creepy smileys than the actual tree does. I mean, if it's on fire, you don't see the smileys on the apples. You see the smiley on the tree either, so you're not gonna know. I mean, jeez.
Chicken pox trees.
No, they're apple trees. The apples have smileys on them. That's what they are. They're not chicken pox. Weren't you here the other day, Jack? Twitch stream wanted me to put smiley faces on all of the apples and on the trees, and I did. That's why they're like this. Chicken pox. My god. Chicken pox. That's terrible. That is. Oh my god. You're convincing me. It looks like chicken pox. My bad drawing of smileys makes it look like chicken pox. I'll give you that. Bloody damn it. Damn it. Why is the smoky not working, man? Why is it not working? So he saw the smoke, he saw the fire, and why didn't he work? Why didn't he work? Where is it? Fire, I need fire. Yeah, there we are. Smoking ID 357, and yet we don't have a 357. It's a 444. Maybe that's why it's not working. Oh dear. Why doesn't this work? Alright. Let's have a look at the Smoky. Smoky sees fire. The fire is HP is not 0. I don't think it's 0. Is it 0? No, it's 100. So that's a tick. It's visible. Yes, we can see it. Has the line of sight to the fire? Yes, it should have. That should have worked. Is searching, returning, or going into cooldown? Well, we don't know. But currently, he is going. Should have been on searching, man. Pick the nearest Smoky. Smoky ID is 0. Smoky ID is not 0 here. So, Smoky ID is not 0 here. We might be able to fix that. That's why we're getting to about here, and he's not responding. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's fix that. Yeah, let's fix it. Let's fix it. It might be in fire extinguishing, actually. We can put it in here. Dun 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 dun. Those are not overlapping. Oh. I wonder if that's caused other issues. No. Alright, let's do this. Hang on, let me check something first. Flammables. Okay, what where were we assigning that? Oh, let's have a look. Smoky UID. There. Really? Is that it? Is this the only place? Is this the only place? So how do we assign the the front? Oh, that's right, it doesn't. Okay, it's the fire. Fire gets the smoking ID. All right. Right. I have a feeling, right, that I need to do it here. So fire, gonna check for I smoky UID equals well is not 0, right? Not 0. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pick we're going to pick by unique ID. That's what we're going to do. We're going to pick by unique ID of the smoky. Pick by unique ID, which is the fire I smoky UID. And if you don't exist, then change you to 0. I smoky UID. Okay? If this doesn't work, make it 0. Right? That's if you're not 0.
Okay.
Good. Constantly check. If the smoky UID is not 0, then we need to make sure that there is a smoky existing with that UID, assigned UID, right? Assigned value. If there isn't, then make it 0. Like, duh. This would allow another smoky to attend this fire. Okay? That's what will happen. That's what will happen with it. We're going to need to test this. This is going to be messy, but we can test it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Whoop. Hang on. Here we go. Got a fire. Oh no, I walked out my house and there's a fire outside. The apple tree's on fire. What shall we do? That works. Wrap up. I'm not going to send much coppers, many coppers out because actually I think we should, because we've got to keep resetting the bandies fire matches, don't we? Not that we necessarily have to do that, but I think it would be good if we did. Makes things normal. You like testing things in a normal environment. Picking up the calls. Picking up these calls, man. This is what we're doing. And we're trying to observe other things going on as well, so not just the fire. We want to make sure everything else is working. Come on, see it! See the fire, damn it! He just walks home. He didn't see it. Fire started behind him, he didn't see it. This is fine. Okay, that fire started and he went straight through it. Right, oh, great. Right, man. Alright. One thing I want to do as well, like when we were seeing before, when the two firefighters were, smokies were like, you know, extinguishing fires in a cross direction. It was, they weren't, both fires but didn't have the splashing effect on them. Somehow that was causing a problem where both fires were just not, they just weren't responding or something like that. They just weren't like taking any notice of the water at all. So yeah, kind of a bit of a problem. Kind of a bit of a problem. Kind of a bit of a problem. Okay. Hmm. Pretty good so far. No strange business. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Right there. That bandy didn't move. Why? Why didn't the bandy move? What's going on? It's because of the fire. There's got to be something to do with the fire. That's reason for that bandy to stop moving.
Welcome. Wilk_Kyla. Hi, how's programming going?
Hi, Wilk. Welcome to the stream, dude. Welcome to the Wolf Den. Streaming, how's programming going? Sorry, programming is a bit of a headache.
Wolf Games at Wilk_Kyla.
Welcome. Yes, it's a little bit of a headache at the moment. We've got these really nested issues, but we're making progress. I mean, we have fixed, you know, so far 50 issues. We're trying to fix something with bandies here. Well, I thought I actually did fix it before, but I didn't. So there's problems with, there's a weird thing going on with fires and putting out fires. If there's more than one smoky putting out a fire, it doesn't put out any of them. But if there's only one fire, it puts it out. So, it's multi-instance testing for you. Bloody crazy. And then we've got this going on where the cop is actually taking away this bandy right now.
I see him not the only one that has weird glitches XD.
Oh, mate, yeah, you're not the only one. By all means, I'm up here not knowing exactly what I'm doing this, and yeah. I'm making this and going through the same process everyone else is. I honestly, I entered this stream tonight, right? I'm like, great, you know, we fixed up all these problems. We had a couple of doubtable things. One with the Benny arrested. This is one of them. This has got something to do with overlapping the fire still. I don't know.
I have a vector of platforms and collision of only one of them doesn't work. Yes, it's added to the correct vector.
Oh my.
XD.
How does it not? It's like it's supposed to work and it doesn't. So yes, I started stream today
IDK.
thinking, great, you know, we can move on to the next stage of development with nothing, you know, going on. And then we've got bandies not going back. We've got fires not being extinguished. We've got smokies ignoring fires when there's a fire in front of them. Like, what? That wasn't happening before. What happened? I've put one fix I've actually put in here at the moment is I've put this in here. So I've got into the characters here. So every fire, right, that gets seen by a smoky, we assign a UID to that fire. Say, hey, the smoky's going to be dealing with this. So we don't
Next stage. You wish Royton true.
So true.
Smokey is just having a bad day. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
I don't know. Maybe I've just got him up too late. He's doing a night shift. He doesn't like nights. Maybe that's the case. Who knows? We were trying to say, look, you know, I put smiley faces on the trees the other night because Twitch chat wanted smiley faces on the trees, and then they wanted it on the apples, so smiley apples. So we've got smiley apple trees. We've got smiley trees and smiley apples on these trees. I didn't have this before, so now this is a thing. And they also drop if you see a fire long enough, you'll actually see that an apple drops onto the ground with a sad face.
Stream interface you got. I want smileys on the smiley faces.
Smileys on the smiley faces. What, bro? Pretty much we have this. We've got apples with smiley faces on them. Look, see? That's a smiley face. I can't. I just can't. Really love the stream interface. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I see the issue.
You see the issue?
You need to make all of them rotate.
Oh no! No!
XDD.
I'm not doing that. Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys are gonna give me nightmares. I'm gonna be like going to sleep, you know, after a long week of working on this, and I'll be dreaming about rotating smiley faces on apple trees and apples. Luke, your game's not working because you've got. I'll be dreaming. I'll be going. Luke, your game's not working. It's not working because you haven't put smiley faces on your stuff. You haven't got smiley faces on your buildings, on your trees. You need to put small smiley faces on the game. That will just be my nightmare. And I'll wake up in the morning going, right, I've got to put smiley faces on the trees. So anyway. Yeah, apparently we did that on Monday. Monday? Something like that, yeah. So, anyway. I officially have smiley face trees. And if my mood meter goes up enough, you'll actually see a smiley tree on the mood meter icon. Which is kind of cool. But, anyway.
Make a maniac smile picture with 1 alpha visibility, so when someone zones out they randomly see something and panic. And put it as background.
And put it as back. Oh my god. Oh my god. My game's just going to turn into a big smiley face game, bro. Janticity, the city of smiley faces. Oh no. It's a big meme already, and we haven't even got the playtest out yet. The Smokey ID, if it's not 0, then it must be picked, right? So we pick for a Smokey.
OMG, I know what you can put.
We check for a Smokey all the time.
Really nice GIF.
Oh my god, I know what we can put. I recently found. Oh my god, here we go. If we can't pick a Smokey,
He's just a scary spider realistically walking across it.
Oh, there's plenty of spiders in this realm, by the way. Have you seen my After Realms game? I've got spiders in there. There's spiders in that game. That's about the size of it, though. I could put spiders in this game. I could do a lot of things for this game. I just haven't done it yet. And I don't want to do too much. I mean, already it's pretty complex, right?
But I mean a scary one.
A scary spider? You know what's scary? You know what? There was only one spider in a game that actually scared me the most. And you know what it was? You know what it was, right? It was in Sim Ant. It was in Sim Ant, right? A pixelated game, by the way. It was in Sim Ant, and it was when you got eaten by the spider in Sim Ant. Right? So I'm not gonna. I mean, last time I think I freaked everyone out when I showed a spider on stream. This is a pixelated spider. It's not scary. But
the only spiders that scare me are Minecraft cave spiders. LUL.
Really? You scared of those? You're not scared of the weeping angels? Jeez, I'm scared of the weeping angels.
No.
Hang on, I'm trying to get this image. Okay, it's on Reddit, okay? It's just on Reddit. Here we go. This is the spider, right? If you get eaten by this thing, this is what happens.
I mean spiders scary only with the weird movement on ceilings and realistic textures.
Oh, textures, you know, okay, fair enough. Hang on, I can't find a good picture of this. There's some text in the way. It's really scary though. Here it is. I mean, well, I'm not bothered by it now, but I mean, I played this game when I was little, right? And I was just doing my thing in Cement. This is the face of the spider. It's just so... It just appeared on my screen, and I'm like, oh my god, what the hell's that? It gave me nightmares. like, no. And the thing is, the spider's actually really easy to kill as well. So, like, if you get killed by a spider, you can get killed by a spider individually, right? But if you get your if you get like enough of your nest out to follow you, like enough soldiers to follow you, you can actually kill the spider. Here we go. So yeah, if you get enough soldiers, the ants destroy the evil spider. Hang on, this isn't Simman. Yes, it is. Oh, this is a version of Simman, I should say. Yeah. The ants destroy the evil spider. To the victor goes lunch. Who wants a leg? I think that's it's Simman, but it's a different platform. It's a bit different on the computer. The spider just dies and turns into food, basically. Oh, wow. I just realized there's a way for the human to actually step on you. I did not know this. The inconsiderate human has stepped on you. Your tiny body is crushed to the life with pulp. That's so mean. Actually, Cement was such a big game because you had like a big game of here it is. Every single tile in on this map, right? This is a bit small, so I'm just going to zoom in. Every single tile on this map. This is a bit blurry too. I mean, it's already pixelated. It's terrible. Do apologize. Is there one which isn't so bad? Let's have a look.
If you want, I sent a spider in general chat so you can see what I was talking about.
Here we go. See, every square is like a game area, so you had to like take over the game area. So you were versing like the red ants. So you were like the black ants, and you had to verse the red ants, and the red ants would take over like squares, and you had to take over the entire game, including the house, and drive the humans out of the house. it was really hilarious, actually. It took a long time, but yeah, it was good.
Ooh,
yeah, it's really. It was an actual ant game though, like it was a simulation ant game. Team Ant. It was a brilliant idea. Maxis, that was a 1991 Maxis game. Oh, it was brilliant. Maxis had some great ideas. Simcopter was one of them actually, which is what this game is based on that I'm making at the moment. Part of it anyway. I like a concept of it is inspired by it. So yeah, so you were the yellow ant. You're always the yellow ant, and you can possess any ant you can possess any ant that you wanted to, right? You can possess a worker ant, a soldier ant. I tend to go for the soldier ants. You can a breeding ant or even the queen. But you can only control one ant at a time. Everything else gets controlled indirectly. So yeah, it was kind of interesting. So anyway, I kind of got a bit off track, but yeah, the spider was the most scary thing in that game. Cool game. A cool game. Just that I just didn't like the spider very much. Anyway, let's see what we can fix here. If you want, I can send a spider in general chat to see what I was talking about. Okay, but I won't open it up. Well, I will, but open it at your own risk. I'm just not going to bring it up on stream. I could, I mean, I already saw yellow jackets and stuff. I thought, oh my god.
Fair.
Just that, I think people, some people have really bad phobias, and I don't want to trigger those. I think I may have even triggered it by showing like a pixelated version of a bloody spider.
That's why I spoiler tagged it too.
You spoiler tagged it? I did not see this. I did not see this. We did have a funnel web in the backyard though, quite a few months ago now. It was just sitting in a bucket of water. At the bottom of a bucket of water, it was sitting there. And it was, yeah. And it looked like, I mean, we were like, hang on, is that a trapdoor? And we were like, well, trapdoors actually can't survive underwater. That was the difference. Trapdoors can't survive underwater. Only funnel webs can. Funnel webs have a way of holding their breath in a very unique fashion, which allows them to breathe underwater. So they can sink to the bottom of the of whatever water they're in. They're usually on top, so it's a bit unusual to see it on the bottom. But anyway, unless it actually drowned, but we didn't test it out to find out. Yeah, it was just apparently yeah, it was just chilling there. This massive female funnel web spider in my backyard, like, geez. And I've never really, I know what funnel webs look like, but I've never actually seen one. Yeah, you definitely don't want to get bitten by one of those. You will die if you don't get treated, like emergency. So, if you ever see a black spider, a medium to large black spider with a grey back, you're probably looking at a funnel web. So, the good thing about funnel webs is that they don't actually like humans. So, they don't like being around humans. They tend to stay away from humans. But sometimes they might think that your shoe or something is a good place to do a nest, and they'll create like a little funnel web nest inside. So yeah, you've got to be a little careful of them. The most poisonous ones are the males in the funnel web spider species. They're both deadly, but the males are the strongest venom, which is unusual because usually the female has the most venom, has the most powerful venom. But no, not in funnel webs. It is indeed the male that has it, and yeah, they like surfing. So if you see a spider surfing, and it's a black one, that probably is a funnel web, and you should stay away from it. You will die if it bites you. So you've got to be real careful. Anyway, enough spider advice. I'm trying to fix this bug. I think I've fixed the bug where it's the Smokies. Yeah, we're fixing the Smoky ID.
That's a lovely thing to think about.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Don't worry, you sleep safe. Just don't go outside underneath it. Just don't sleep outside underneath it. Don't go under a house. They're probably under there somewhere. They're like that. Smoky UID equals 0. If the Smoky UID is equals 0, we want to check to see if there's a relevant Smoky here. So if there's a Smoky that is the assigned Smoky, we want to make sure that is existing. If it is, then we leave it alone. We don't do anything else. But if there's no Smoky, then we can't pick the Smoky because it doesn't exist, for example. Then we want to set it to 0, man. Set it to 0.
IDK, the only bad platforms are the green ones. All have the same color, one just has a different color to not confuse them all. This is so weird.
The bad platforms?
I'm just gonna leave it as a feature XD.
Are the green ones? What are you talking about? Sorry. Are you talking about something in my game or your game? I'm a little lost. Mind you, I have been working all day, so I'm trying to keep myself focused on what the hell's going on.
Sorry.
Your game. Oh, okay. Nice. So you're making your game too, or you're what are you making it in? And how far are you ahead of making it? I just realized that this can still be a problem if the smoky is still there, but just ignoring the fire. Let's keep testing. We need to keep testing this. There is definitely something going on.
Project for school.
Project
Just
for
some
school.
platform game. I'm
Oh,
only
okay.
allowed to use C++ with SFML
Oh.
and FMT library. Although only used SFML so far.
Oh, okay. I'm not familiar with SFML. I've only done some coding. I particularly studied JavaScript for game development, so I did HTML5 game development. So I did that. I did learn some C++, but I couldn't get my head around it too well. That was when I first started actually doing any kind of programming at all. Maybe it was just the context I was learning in, which I just didn't like the learning environment I was in. So I decided to back up from that, and JavaScript was was actually my favorite language. But I'm not familiar with SFML or FMT library. So are they just
Just SFML. Graphic is just for making graphic adding.
Okay.
pictures
Oh,
and
hang on, library. So
collisions,
you're talking about C++
I'm
libraries.
about to fail Java. I hate it.
Java. Oh wow. I haven't tried Java, but I've heard some things about it. That's for sure. Yeah. I originally started programming using Construct, which is a visual scripting program like this. I started with Construct 2. It really got me into game development and wanting to make games. I eventually went into a stage where
Wait, didn't you say Java is your favorite?
JavaScript. Yeah, not Java. JavaScript. So yeah, I then
MBMB.
yeah, all good. it's very easy to get confused between those two. But yeah, it's I chose to do Construct after doing a lot of code because the Afterrealms game I linked before, that is actually coded in JavaScript Phaser 3 with the Phaser 3 framework. Very proud of that. It did take 6 months though to make it. So I thought, well, you know, because I'm working and I want a game dev, Construct does take a lot of does actually save me a lot of time. So I decided, well, I'll just make games in Construct, and you know, maybe later on we might you know, dive into coding. But at the moment, I'll be making my projects in this. So I just have to, you know, put that first, because you know, saving time is the thing I need to do right now. And I want to get things out there bigger. This is already taking me time. I do want to move on from it. But I need to fix what I've done. We're almost there.
He works hard and plays hard.
Yeah, that. So yeah, I want to be able to do stuff. So I'm working. That's why I like streaming what I'm doing. Because it allows me to. It keeps me on topic, and I get to share what I'm doing with anyone that's interested. And
that sounds weird.
I make progress.
Now that I read it aloud.
Jack. Yeah, I may see. The thing is, I can't find a good balance between game development and playing games at the moment. So, except maybe my what do you call it? Stream schedule keeps me in good balance, but yeah. So I'm
really surprised by you not having any rules in your Twitch bio and then having so many rules in Discord.
I have rules in my stream. But oh wow. I just saw what you posted on Discord. Thanks, Welk, by the way, for joining. Great. My community rules are stretch across not just the Discord, but the I've got a website, and that's any platform of Luke Wolf games, or anything like that we have.
Ooh.
So I didn't want to put all of those rules in the Twitch chat because it's just way too big. I actually did try to do that. It's way too big and people are not going to read that.
To me, smiley face.
You're welcome. Thanks for sharing your spider thing. Looks cool. It looks very real. Oh my god, it looks really hideous. I actually think that looks like it could have been a funnel web. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I want to do. I'm just streaming to yeah, just keep myself accountable with what I'm doing, productive and focused usually on this motivated, you know, sharing my stuff, all that kind of thing. Yeah, what I like doing. So yeah, I have yeah, the rules are I do want to define a bit more about what I want in the simplest possible way, but I want to keep a community safe too, right? So we want to make sure that you know, people are always friendly with each other. They're not making, you know, they're not putting people down, that sort of thing, and they're not being too out there in terms of everything that's not PG rated, for that matter. So but yeah, it can keep up to date with the Discord. I do struggle to keep certain things updated. For example, the studio projects chat. I was posting my my things in there. It might be a bit too much text though. I do want to put more imagery in there, and I'm gonna do that when I finish these the multi-instance testing. We've already got some people that have, you know, a thriving metropolis, for example. This is from Vengus on the. Oh, hang on. Can I move this over? No, it doesn't let me. Let me do it. Doesn't let me do it. That's weird. Okay, here it is. Yeah, that's a thriving metropolis. Except, it's not quite extended yet. I want to be able to. Whoops. I want to be able to fix all these issues that I can with the game, and then we're going to create a like a level that people will actually play on. That's going to be a lot bigger than just one screen in terms of size. So we're gonna work on the camera. There's going to be camera technology that we're going to work on. Pretty much that's it. There's going to be mainly graphical updates to the game after that, because that is coming along quite slow at the moment with and understandably it is coming along quite slow. We're just, you know, we're just fixing some issues there. You know, smoothing out some stuff. We'll probably go to Chop and Cheeky, which is our primary project, until we get something new for Janticity, and then we'll sort of go backwards and forwards here and there with between you know, Janticity and Chop and Cheeky until Janticity's graphics are in there, and then we'll probably post that up. I feel like I might want to actually release it before the graphics are done, because it's yeah, I think it just gives people a bit of a chance to use it, I suppose, and I get something out there again, which is nice. Yeah, so that is what we're doing, and we're going to continue fixing these problems. Hoping though, there is definitely something going on with the Smoky. So I'm gonna just potential issues cause the cops running and standard me of the copper hub. I'm just gonna cross that out. Oh, hang on, not cross that out. Sorry, no, I'm not crossing it out. I'm not crossing it out. I'm ticking the box, and then I'm gonna say, so today we've got there are several issues. Oh, I'm not. But now my streamer mode didn't go back on. There we go. It's But yeah, if you've got anything you want to share, feel free to put it in the creative section. In there, if you do have anything you want to share in there, I've got a game showcase, and if you've got any completed games, you can post those in there. Any game progress that you're working on, do it in the game progress one. Yeah, anything at all. You're welcome to do that. That's what it's there for. I like seeing what other people make as well. Very neat. There are some new issues we have discovered before finishing multi-instance testing. We've got Smokies not sometimes not putting out fires. There's something to do with the Smoky UID being assigned to a fire, and then for some reason the Smoky leaves. Oh, I know why. Being assigned to a fire. Putting out the first fire but not the second fire. Instead, they will they'll just leave and no one can put out the second fire. That one we're fixing. We know why this is happening. I think this is because the first this is because the fire, if there's more than one flame, will not of the same fire, I should say, of the same fire, will stop the Smoky from continuing from reacting after seeing fire, because the Smoky UID of that fire is not 0. I'm pretty sure that's why that's happening. Second thing is that bandits that get arrested when overlapping an object that is on fire will stop them from walking back with the copper. Also, speaking of fires, we've got Smokies putting out 2 fires at the same time will mean that they do not extinguish at all and just burn out as if they were not being extinguished at all. Yeah, that's an interesting one. Very interesting one. I thought I fixed all that stuff with the Smokies, but oh well. Obviously I haven't. Overflapping. Overlapping. No. Overlapping, not overflapping. Bandits that get arrested when overflapping. It's supposed to be overlapping. Okay? Overlapping an object that is on fire. Okay? That's what we're trying to say here. We'll comment on that just for the moment. Okay, one issue at a time, shall we? Alright, so we've got this. This is still not going to resolve our issue, by the way. Not exactly. It's got to match the Smoky. So what if the Smoky UID equals char Smoky? Yeah. UID. Something like that. Hang on, I'm so confused here. Okay, there's a few things that we need to do here. I'm going to put this as an else because I think we can pick. I think we can pick here. Right, but we're going to do this as a sub-status. Alright, so we're going to do a similar thing here. And then we go else. Well, actually, yeah. We don't need to do else. Oh, that's the other thing too. We're picking the nearest smoky. Let's check fire target. So, wait a minute, that might be the better solution, actually. Just smoky is I fire target. Yeah, equals fire. UID. That might be better, actually. I'm going to say is not. UID that they're looking at. Okay, now we can focus on. So if the smoky doesn't already have a fire target, then they can proceed with this. We also have to check to make sure the fire doesn't have a smoky UID either. If he doesn't, then yeah, we set all this and everything's fine. Otherwise, we pick the instance that has a smoky ID on there. Does this make sense, or is this too crazy? Might be too crazy. We've got ads coming up in 30 seconds, so I'm going to have a short break because I always have a break with the ads. Okay. I never continue with ads. So while the ads are on, I'll be back.
Subscribe to avoid ads.
Alrighty. Back. Hello. Brilliant. Thank you for your patience.
Greetings SSSSS.
SSSSS. Welcome. Hello. Greetings SSSSS. Lovely, isn't it? All right. Oh my god, what is making sense here? So, I need to think about how this is going to work. How is this going to work properly? I know. It's going to back all this. We're going to keep it like this. Okay. We're going to keep it like this. Now, we can do more here, I think. So if we can pick the instance with the fire smoky ID, we need to check car smoky, okay, is value. Oh, hang on, compare instance value. S needs to be extinguishing a fire, right?
I need to go to bed. Good night, Luke and Stream.
Good night, Jack.
Smiley face.
Thanks for coming in, mate. We've got about 50 minutes left, so gonna try and make as much as we can, but we'll see you tomorrow, maybe. And have a good night's sleep. Go with goodness. Status. What is the status of someone putting out a fire? I think they're extinguishing fire, aren't they? Yeah, they're extinguishing a fire. This one.
Perhaps after work on earlies currently.
On earlies currently? Yeah, I'm on earlies too, eh? I'm doing like 7 to 2:30 at the moment. I feel your pain. Pick instances with that is the status extinguishing fire. Else set the smoking to 0. That's what we'll do. So if the fire is not 0, we need to check to see if we can pick up the smoky that has a that's the same UID. If we can, then we check to see if that UID is extinguishing the fire. If that's the case, then we need to if that's the case, then fine, we don't do anything else. Otherwise, we need to set the fire UID to 0 and allow the fire to become available for anyone else that might want to put out the fire, and that should resolve our problem. That should resolve our problem. For Smokies, anyway. Or, I mean, this bullet point here. Smokies sometimes not putting out fires. We'll see about the 2 fire thing in a minute, but I'm not sure how I can reproduce that. I'll have to get two Smokies on the screen. I could indeed create 2. That's a point. Let me just refresh that. Actually, I'll change the environment a little bit. I want to put this tree over with this one. Yeah. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Here we go. Whoa, did he just... He did not do that. Did they just both try to put out the fire? Hmm. I think he did. They did. Okay. Let's have a closer look at what's happening here. So, we've got two smokies. One is putting out a fire and the other one's generally not. So, this one, fire cut target 239. Is that what we're checking for when it comes to characters? Extinguishing fire, peak instance with UID. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's always going to be wrong. We need a different kind of picking function here. I just realized that is not going to work. Pick by comparison. Pick the smoky with a smoky by fire target. Equals to fire.uid. Okay, that's what we should be checking. I'll just check that because that basically what that was saying was that would always set it to 0 always, so it wasn't going to work, and that's why I think we saw 2 putting out a fire. All right, so we'll test that again. Char smoky. Extinguishing fire. Yep, fun. Didn't turn around. Let me just type bang. Where is it? Fire extinguishing. High health points, 120. 120 on the health points? Why is spread time giving me 30 though? Yeah, currently it's 60. I might get 30. We should actually make that 10. What a cannon effect. Ah, I could do 4. I think I need to do 4 each here for this one. We'll subtract 25 from fire. We'll make it slower. We need to see what's going on and to give the coppers a chance to do the thing they need to do. The coppers, sorry, the smokies. What am I saying? I don't even know my own characters right now. That's better. Okay. Okay, so what do we got? What do we got here? We have a smoky. He's extinguishing a fire? Yes, he is. We also have a fire. Move this up. We have a fire, and we have smoky UID is 0. What the hell? That shouldn't be happening. We should be assigning that. We should be assigning. Oh, hang on. Smoky UID 209. 209 is the second Smoky. What's he doing extinguishing the same one? Bro, you're not supposed to be doing that. Stop that now. You're not supposed to be doing that, man. Hmm. The picture Smoky where Smoky UID is UID. Okay. We're gonna need to utilize our flash here, I think. I need it to flash when this will disappear, I reckon, when I do this, but it will tell us what's going on. I just need to know what's going on first. Is it running or not? What's it doing? I think it is running, actually. This is my biggest fear right now. It is running. My solution's not actually working. And, yeah, we've got some issues. Okay. They're both doing it. What? I am confused. Why didn't it assign? We pick the nearest. Let's pick the nearest that doesn't have... Oh, I don't know. Picks the nearest. I think we need to move this up here. This needs to be a prerequisite. This can be over under here, yeah. So if it's not HP is visible, Smoky UID 0. That's what we need to do. It needs to have a Smoky ID of 0 before we go picking anybody. Maybe. Trial and error with a lot of this, you know, it really is. Trial and error. You do something that thinks it makes sense. Realize that maybe what you're doing is not making sense, and then you try something that might make sense. Again, like, you know. It's full on. Okay, so what do we got here? We've got a Smoky that hasn't turned around yet. So Smoky... Okay. Fire. Where are you, Fire? You were there, I saw you. There you are. Okay. Still 0. Why? Why are you not... Why are you doing this, man? Why are you 0? You should not be 0. What the heck? It does it with the second Smoky. And yet both of them are now attacking this one fire. It needs to be like one Smoky per fire. Basically. But both of them have 207. I'm so confused. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, damn it? Why are you doing things that don't make sense? We're doing things that make sense as far as what you've been told to do. But I'm getting it wrong. Is that it? I'm the one getting it wrong? Unheard of. Well. Let's see. Hang on, it did flash, did it? Did that flash? I'm pretty sure that flashed. I think we have... I think it flashed. Damn it. That means we're not doing it right. We're not picking it right. We're not checking it right. Oh my god, here we go. Yep. Okay, so it flashed. Okay, why? Why did it flash? Why are you flashing? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Oh, hang on, you're doing this because you're going to fire. Is that right? Oh, okay, hang on. Okay, I've got it. I'm not checking. Go to fire. That's what I'm not doing. So this is an ore block. We're gonna change to go to fire. Yep. I'm gonna see if it's running on a run. Otherwise, I'll play this one. It needs to be going to fire. So because it's going to fire and not extinguishing the fire, it resets to 0. That's the problem. Yes, I got it wrong. Damn it. That's okay. We found out reasonably quickly what was going on there. Okay, so stop there. What do we got at the moment? We have monkey that's putting out a fire, obviously. But what does the fire say? Mogi 197, yep. The second one's also 197. That's interesting. Why is the second one 197? The second one shouldn't be anything. The second one should not be anything. Why is the second one anything? Does it happen because it's spread, or what's going on? Smoky. This Smoky. Hang on a second. Smoky is I Smoky UID. Do you have anything on this? There, and there. Interesting. Oh no, it peaked nearest. No, peak nearest searching original. I don't know. It should be doing. It should be picking nearest of whatever this is, man. Unless I need to put pick nearest on the other side of this. Nah. Now I want to test this again. And we'll test how it's signing. We'll just do one Smoky to start with. It's only picking the one Smoky at the moment anyway. So hey, it's not. That's been picked. Interesting. Alright. Pick up. Alright, now. Have you picked someone yet or not? No, you haven't. 212. That's better. That's better. Yes. Those fires are now legitimately being put out. Except the... yeah. Cool. Alright, no, that actually fixed it. That actually fixed it. Let me just check something though first. I want to just run that again. We've got to do it, I'm going to do it really fast like I did before. See if that also triggers the issue or what happens.
Welcome. T3J1.
Welcome T3J. Or TJ. Welcome to the stream. Or Test J. Please. Alright, I'm just not there. No, that's working fine. Working as expected there. Okay, now that we've got that, let me try one thing. I want to test one smoky on 2 fires. Sorry, 2 smokies on 1 fire, the other way around. 2 smokies on 1 fire. Because we want to check and see if they're going to do the right thing. That's what we're going to do. So fire spread time, we're going to return it back to 60 seconds. And we're going to run the lamp and find out. We're going to find out what's going on. This second smoky should leave this fire alone because this guy's already putting it out, right? That's what should happen. Let's see what actually happens. Yeah. Open up fire just in case, but this fire's had a smoking sign, so that's good. Cool. Okay, the second fire goes up. Okay. Cool. Alright, I think let's fix the smoky thing. The only thing I'm a little worried about is if they extinguish at the same time. That's going to be hard to actually reproduce, actually. This is where I wanted to go, like, when it comes to extinguishing fires for each fire, right? So, I'm actually really happy we're fixing this at the moment, but man, it's been one hell of a fucking exercise. So, stop fire. Okay. So, stop fire, yeah. Here we go. We're gonna do for each. For each fire. Right? Oh, hang on. Wait. That's... No, that actually... No, I beg your pardon, I didn't know. Do not. Where is it? Where do we have it? Oh, here. This is it. This block here. Top block. We're gonna go for each fire here. So that. And everything underneath that. Oh. Everything underneath that. Gonna go system for each fire. Yeah, for each fire being extinguished. Now, let's see. That fixes it. If that fixes it. I just want to make sure this is not going to cause problems. Okay. Restart this. I'm going to wait until there's 2 fires. And then I might wait until there's a bigger fire. Bigger than that fire. I thought I had my captions on. I did not. Forgot again. I've got to make sure I actually put them on. Very important. Very important. Alright, so we've got 2 fires. Let's get one out. Okay, so we have no... Oh. It's not extinguished yet. Yeah, well, okay. Oh, that's right. It was a separate fire. Of course it was. Of course it was a separate fire. Okay. I think that's working quite well for these fixes. For these fire fixes. I really do. Okay. Let's do 2 smokies now. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do 2 fires in different places? Alright, let's put more trees together. Let's put like another tree here. And we'll do like one here. Here. Okay. I'm gonna let them spread pretty quickly. But the only thing we are gonna let them do here with the spreading. Where is it? Okay, good. Yes, that was what I was afraid of. He didn't see the other fire. Oh, he's not seeing any other fires either. Why is that? 214 and 207. Yeah, it's not peaking properly. I don't think it's picking properly. I think we're still getting this wrong just a little bit. When it comes to bigger fires, we've got an issue. Okay, what if we changed it so that we only do it for the specific target? That might be an idea. See, Smoky is compare value. We want to compare value for fire target. Oh, hang on. It's equal to 0. Now, when it comes to that, I think we do set that to 0 at some stage, don't we? When we extinguish the fire. Hmm. Got a function here. Return Smoky to searching. Okay. Flag target to 0. Okay, we are setting it to 0. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. No worries. Yeah, so this should be a good check, I think. Picking the closest one with no fire target. What we're doing here. One's got 201. That one's got 201 when it shouldn't really have 201, but it hasn't. Why does that have 201? And why does that have... Oh, that one's got 214. This doesn't... This has got 214. Oh, that's weird. Did he see them all at once? Is that what happened? We might need to say... We don't need to work on a way to pick it if it's depending on the distance as well. What if we did that? What if we picked the distance? What if we went fire? Pick closest. Nearest. Smoky X. Smoky Y. Yeah. But I might just put it there. This is on the proviso that it's already 0 here, so everything else. Oh, Smoky Bendy starts fire. Ah, no ID. No ID. This one's got the Smoky ID. The closest one, yeah. Okay, that's good. The other one's got the 223 Smoky. Fantastic. This is good. This is much better. The others are still blank because they have no one putting out their fires. This is what we want. This is the kind of behavior we're looking for. Yeah, he goes to the next one. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Didn't get... Okay. Weirdly, it didn't assign a smoking ID. Very weird. And the fire HP is still 25. Okay. There's our problem. It's not assigning the smoking ID for some weird reason. I don't know why it's not doing it. It's so strange. If it had a smoking ID, it would be getting deader at this point. Alright, so... Okay, we're almost there with it. We're almost there with it. It is behaving a little better than it was. I am going to leave some notes on this one. I'm going to save it. The next unsave, of course. Always do that. We got it so that it fixes we got it so that it keep the same fire or not, or ignore fires if their values were filled in already. Just have to fix subsequent fire selections with multiple smokies. Yeah, for me to do there. Yeah, I think the second one's tied in the first one, but we'll get back to that. We'll look into bandies being arrested later. That one's going to be a hard one to really reproduce because of the specificness, but we know... that's what I can say. We know... we know that this has something to do with overlapping an object on fire. And there is no fire. Well, when there are no fires being overlapped, it will behave normally. But we'll get stuck if it does. Yeah. Bandy does. Bandies will behave normally, but we'll get stuck if the bandies do overlap. Yeah. All right. Cool. Cool. Excellent. All right. So we are going to find a raid. This one, we're getting some progress made here. Hopefully, we've got this and that's it. We'll find out. Of course. I'll raid this guy here. Doing some kind of programming. With Jolda, I think. Yeah. Also, he's doing a lot of good stuff. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Appreciate you coming into the stream there, Whoop. Nice meeting you, and hope to see you again. It's been excellent. And, yeah, I'll see you around on Discord. For everyone that...
Coyote Code.
Welcome.
Fluffy612CHEER. Bye bye.
please join our Discord.
Thanks
That's
for
our community.
streaming.
Keep up to date with what I'm doing. And also with the stream schedules, because I do post schedule calendars on there, as well as the chat here, my streaming schedule. And thanks for the follow, really appreciate that. Please stick around for the raid. I'll be on again tomorrow night. 3 hours ago
Almost
tomorrow
forgot
night.
to stalk you with a follow XD.
Thank you. No worries. And yeah, we'll do the raid. Thank you very much, guys. And please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
Thanks for following. Wilk_Kyla.
That's perfect timing, because now I can fix this.